students, in this video I will explain about packing efficiency in body centered cubic structure. What is the concept are involved in body centered cubic structures? Now let us learn about that. Here you can observe that this is in a body centered cubic unit cell. Here in this type of arrangement, the particles are in touch with one another along the body diagonal. Let the edge length we should consider as A. The radius of the particle is considered as here R. The face diagonal we can consider as in the formation of here B as well as one here R in the sense. So now let us learn about what is the concept. It is involvement in this case of BCC. So here it is clear that the atom, whatever the atoms we are going to consider at the center will be in touch with one another, will be in touch with the other two atoms diagonally, diagonally arranged, because this is a body centered cubic unit cell. So now let us consider as an angle EFD. Here just you can observe here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, like that there is a arrangement of constituent particles at the corners. In addition to that, this is in a body center, so the constituent particle is present. Addition to corners, the center of the body also going to presence here. So now we will consider that first triangular, that is in angle EFD, in angle EFD. So here you can take it as in the formation of one here, the edges it is considered as A and here B. We have already known that particularly according to Pythagoras theorem, what it will be indicates here, B square is equal to A square plus A square, that is equal to 2A square. So otherwise you can take B is equal to root 2A. So now you can consider an angle AFD. So AFD, what it will be considered here. Now let us learn about that. So in angle AFD you can take it that is C square. So C square, it is in the formation of one here. You can take radius will be here R, or otherwise you can take C. So here C square is equal to A square plus B square. We have already have an idea about that. Here A square, B square in the sense in a previous that B square, it is nothing but root 2A or 2A square. So in the place of B you can take 2A square, that is equal to 3A square, or you can take simplification, C is equal to root 3A. So this is while we will consider as in angle AFD. We have already have a idea about that. Here the radius, how we can take it as a radius, then what is the meaning of one radius. Now here in this BCC, how much of value it is involvement for the radius. Now let us learn about here. The length of the body diagonal you can consider as here C. So the body diagonal we are going to consider as C. It must be equals to 4R. How it will involvement of 4R? Now let us learn about that. In the previous video I have already explained that the radius we can consider as the half of the distance from the center of the nucleus to the edge part. So here you can take, here this is in a one particle in the sense, here the how many centers it will be having here? Two centers, means single center from that single center of the nucleus to this half of the distance here, this is in 1 r and this is in 1 r, 2 r, and similarly here you can take, this is in one constituent particle, so from the center of the nuclei or nucleus to this, so here it will be 1 r, this is 1 r, and similarly from this it is in a 1 r. So totally how many are here? 1, 2, 3 and here 4 r. So that is the reason here C you can take it in the formation of 4 r. So here radius of the sphere or atom as all the 3 sphere along the diagonal touch each other. So touch each other, therefore you can take it root 3a is equal to 4r. Root 3a is equal to 4r, or you can take a is equal to 4r by root 3. So also we can write r is equal to root 3 by 4a. This is the value of r. So in this type of a structure, the total number of atoms are 2. So in this case of BCC, how many total number of atoms or constituent particles will be? 2. Therefore the volume is taken as 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. So volume of the cube is taken as a cube. Volume of the cube is equal to a cube. That must be equals to 4 by root 3 or whole cube, or you can take a cube is equal to 4 by root 3 or whole cube. So this is in a cube. So now on the basis of all this value, you can substitute into the formula of packing efficiency. So this is the packing efficiency formula, that is equal to volume occupied by the particles by volume of the unit cell into 100%. So now you can substitute all this value into this formula, and what we will get the answer. Now let us learn about that. So volume occupied by the particles is taken as 2 into, so here 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by here 64 by 3 into root 3 r cube into 100%. Otherwise I will write here once again 2 into, see if you are not getting directly 64 means just I will write here another simplification form, 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by 4 by root 3 here or whole cube. So like that you can take and into 100%. So on simplification what we will get, 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by here 64 by 3 into 64 by 3 into root 3, you can take here for this or cube into 100 percentage. Again you can simplify the above one here. What we will get here, 2 into 4, 8 by 3 pi r cube divided by 64 by 3 into root 3. Here r cube will get cancelled out, so on simplification 8 by 3 pi divided by 64 by 3 into root 3 into 100 percentage, and finally on simplification you will get 68 percentage. So this is the percentage it is occupied in this case of packing deficiency in body centered cubic structures. It is a very important concept. In earlier video we have already known about another two type of structures. So every year there is a possibility to ask any one of the question from this packing efficiency. So please concentrate, and if you have any doubt, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you.